we're going to get Friends Legos. First, we will see all the sets. We will see Stephanie's out night camping, and Kate's swimming things. Now we're going to check all of this. I got Olivia's summer thing. I got anything on there has Friends Legos, the title, and I got the game. And Olivia's horse riding. So got a chance. Then Stephanie's big show rehearse. Okay. And Stephanie's big trip on an airplane. So that's all agreed. Here's a little cute little doggy named Sparkly. And then I'm going to show you sets. So I'm going to turn it back. See? Here, see? And let's get started. But first, we saw this cute little robot. That's Olivia's. So this is everything. So, and I will show you it. Oops, sorry. And let's check. Oh, what I have. I have this cute little purse. I know you can't see it. There.